Today, I'm going to show you how to downgrade your WordPress version safely and easily, even if you're not a tech expert. Maybe you just updated to the latest version and found that your favorite plugin or theme isn't playing nice. Or perhaps you simply prefer the stability of an older release. Whatever your reason, by the end of this video, you'll have your site running the WordPress version you want, all without getting tangled up in complicated code or risking your content. We're going to use a plugin for this, which keeps things simple and minimizes risk. If you can log into your WordPress admin area, you're good to go. So let's get started. First up, you'll want to install and activate a plugin called WP-Downgrade Specific Core Version. Start by heading to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, click on Plugins. Then Add New in the search box at the top right. Type WP Downgrade. You'll see it pop up in the results. Look for the blue and white icon. Click Install Now, and then when that finishes, hit Activate. Installing plugins might sound technical if you haven't done it before. But WordPress's interface makes it really straightforward. Just a couple of clicks and you're ready. Once the plugin is active, your next stop is the settings for WP Downgrade. You can find this by going to your left sidebar again, scrolling down to Settings, and looking for a new option labeled WP Downgrade. Go ahead and click that. On this settings page, you'll see a field where you can enter your desired WordPress version. Think of this as telling WordPress, "Hey, I want to travel back in time to this version," for example. You might type in 655, but of course, you'll want to check the official WordPress release archive to find the exact version number you need. Having the right version ensures compatibility and helps you avoid accidental bugs. After you've typed in your target version, click the Save Changes button. This step basically locks in your choice and preps WordPress for the switch. It's a bit like setting your GPS before hitting the road. Just let WordPress know where you want to go. Now here comes the action. Go to Dashboard, then Updates. Near the top of this page, you'll see a button that could say Reinstall WordPress or Update Now, depending on your current setup. Don't be alarmed by the button texting. Clicking it won't erase your posts or images. What this does is reinstall WordPress itself, but to the specific version you picked earlier. This process might take a moment, so give it a little time. If your site is busy or you're on a slower connection, a short pause is completely normal. Once the process is done, take a breath and check that everything looks right. Visit your site on the front end, navigate around, and make sure your plugins and themes are working as expected. If you use any advanced tools or custom code, check those areas too. Downgrading is usually smooth, but it's always a good idea to double-check just in case. And that's it. In just a few straightforward steps, you've successfully downgraded your WordPress version, all without touching a line of code. Remember, it's always smart to back up your site before making changes like this. If you found this guide helpful, let me know by giving the video a thumbs up and dropping your questions in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow WordPress tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.